Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Comcast's data breach nightmare, Xfinity customers at risk, Apple's ESPN acquisition for 2024, and Wall Street buzz, S&P nears record high while FedEx and UPS tumble. Mullen Automotive's survival strategy, a reverse stock split, Nvidia faces uncertain future amid mixed AI demand. Crypto bounces back boosting Marathon Digital, Bitfarms, and Hut 8 stocks, and the battle for Sigma Lithium heats up between CATL and Volkswagen. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. News has emerged that Comcast, a major telecommunications conglomerate, has suffered a substantial cyber attack. The breach, which occurred in October, compromised approximately 36 million user IDs. Exposed data includes usernames, encrypted passwords, birth dates, and secret security questions. Investigations into the incident are currently underway. Xfinity, the service provided by Comcast, detected the breach while addressing a software vulnerability that was previously identified by Citrix. As a precautionary measure, customers have been advised to reset their passwords.
Analyst Dan Ives from Wedbush forecasts a prosperous 2024 for technology stocks. He suggests that Apple might take over ESPN and Microsoft could achieve a market cap of $4 trillion by the year 2025. Furthermore, he predicts that artificial intelligence will become commonplace, representing up to 10% of IT budgets. An increase in mergers and acquisitions is anticipated, while Tesla might launch a vehicle priced below $30,000. Cybersecurity is predicted to rise as the leading tech subsector, with firms such as Zscaler and CrowdStrike at the forefront.
United States stocks concluded with an increase on Tuesday, propelled by encouraging data from the housing market. Both the Dow and Nasdaq reached unprecedented highs, with the S&P 500 trailing closely behind. All sectors experienced growth, spearheaded by energy. Housing initiations in November surpassed predictions, fostering optimism for a gentle descent orchestrated by the Federal Reserve. Despite potential fluctuations due to geopolitical occurrences and impending holidays, market sentiment continues to be optimistic as we near 2024.
FedEx reported a decrease in second quarter earnings, falling short of projections. The company experienced a 2.6% drop in revenue year-on-year, amounting to $22.2 billion, which was below the anticipated $22.4 billion. However, there was an increase in operating income due to FedEx's Drive program and their emphasis on service quality. Looking forward, FedEx anticipates a single-digit revenue decline in 2024 and has plans to repurchase stock worth $1 billion.
Mullen Automotive has released a communication to its shareholders indicating that a reverse stock split is required for the firm to reestablish compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid regulations. The company's CEO, David Mishiri, underscored the importance of raising capital in 2024 to finance projects until the cash flow becomes positive. He cautioned that a downgrade to an over-the-counter exchange could potentially jeopardize shareholders.
Shares of Nvidia experienced a minor decline after Edgewater Research presented a report with mixed data points concerning the demand for the tech giant's AI graphics processing unit. Despite forecasts for 2024 data center GPU shipments remaining unchanged, there is some uncertainty due to customer worries about pricing and the launch of new chips. Nevertheless, long-term outlooks continue to be optimistic, with substantial potential stemming from AI applications. In contrast, rival companies AMD and Intel are projected to witness considerable revenue growth in 2024.
Bitcoin experienced a resurgence on Tuesday, momentarily exceeding the $43,000 mark. This surge positively impacted cryptocurrency-associated stocks such as Marathon Digital, Bitfarms, and Hut 8. Other digital currencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano also witnessed an increase in their value. This upward trend comes after a decrease to $40,500 on Monday.
Reportedly, the final contenders for the acquisition of Sigma Lithium are CATL, a Chinese battery manufacturer, and Volkswagen, a carmaker. Following this news, there was a rise in the company's shares after an increase of 11% on Monday. To facilitate this strategic transaction, which is anticipated to extend into next year, Sigma Lithium is planning a dual listing on both Nasdaq and Singapore Stock Exchange.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep thriving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.